IntegraRack manufactures a full line of revolutionary rail-less solar mounting and racking products out of our facilities in Utah and Las Vegas. All of our roof brackets can be installed with almost any rail-based system, or with our own revolutionary rail-less solar module clamping system for the fastest install times in the industry. Our IRD1 no-penetration tile roof bracket is the first of its kind and requires no removal of tiles, no roof penetration, no rails, and can be mounted in less than 2 minutes. It is unbelievably fast and cuts install times by as much as 75%. With the ability to handle up to 700-watt solar modules, the IntegraRack Ballast systems are one of the most cost-effective, strongest and fastest systems on the market today, and they require no roof penetration. IntegraRack offers multiple base systems with angles from 5 to 30 degrees. When tightened to the block, the integrated handle works to clamp the block tightly in place and allows one person to carry and place multiple base systems with weight in a single trip. The IRD1 multi-surface deck-mounted bracket works on most metal and asphalt surfaces. Utilizing our super sealing technology, the hydro-forming rubber mastic applied to the mounting surface bulges out of the visual inspection holes on the top of the bracket to ensure a 100% infusion seal to the roof surface. Our IRD2 super sealing wide-foot TPO bracket can be used with or without roof penetration and is rated to withstand up to 200 pounds of uplift per bracket, using nothing but fast-setting polyurethane sealant to hold it down. Installed in less than 1 minute, this bracket is the fastest in the industry by far and allows for low-profile solar module mounting, while also providing optimal airflow for high efficiency. Our twin-pole ground mount system can be fully assembled in 30 minutes. They offer fast and easy adjustability from 0 to 60 degrees on either side for seasonal sun positions to maximize your system's power, and allow for up to 4 700-watt solar modules per array. IntegraRack is changing the industry with fast, easy, and cost-effective systems for any solar installation. All of our products are designed to work with or without rails, are made from high-strength materials, and rigorously tested to ensure the highest level of quality.
The IntegraRack Ballast system is one of the strongest, fastest, and most cost-effective ballasted systems on the market, and modules can be mounted in less than 5 minutes. We offer multiple options from 5 to 30 degrees, and all are compatible with up to 700-watt solar modules with no roof penetrations. Our 5 and 10-degree ballast brackets are designed to clamp to a standard cinder block, and the integrated handle allows one person to easily carry and place multiple brackets with weight in one trip. All of our brackets incorporate bend tabs above the module flange hooks for lightning-fast module clamping, and microinverter or solar optimizer mounting points are also provided. Large, smooth, flat bottoms on our brackets eliminate the need for roof pads between the roof and ballast bracket. First, place your block onto the bracket and make sure it is centered. Then take the tube handle and bolt it into place with one of our fast module clamps attached to the shorter side of the bracket. When your brackets are all assembled, you can simply carry and place them where they are needed on the roof. Once you have them in place, mount 2 more module clamps onto the upper 2 mounting points, and you are ready to mount your solar modules. Now simply set the solar module down onto the upper mounting clamps first, and then onto the lower mounting clamps. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, fold the bend tabs to lock the module firmly in place. Do this for all of the ballast bracket bend tabs and you're done. Visit IntegraRack.com for more information.